Often our sailors, for an hour of fun, catch albatrosses on the after breeze, through which these trail the ship from sun to sun, as it skims down the deep and briny seas. Scarce have these birds been set upon the poop, than, awkward now, they, the sky's emperors, piteous and shamed, let their great white wings droop beside them like a pair of idle oars. These winged voyagers, how gauche their gait, once noble, now how ludicrous to view. One sailor burns them with his pipe, his mate lips, mimicking these cripples who once flew. Poets alike, these lords of sky and cloud, who ride the storm and mock the bow's taut strings, exiled on earth amid a jeering crowd, prisoned and palsied by their giant wings.